Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey, and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers, to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. As you see by the sign behind me, we're going to talk about a hair product. Finally, I'm going to talk about a hair product. This month, I've been using the Cake product line that I picked up over at Walgreens, and I've been rocking it a whole month. You guys have seen my hair in it for several videos. I can't remember which ones, which is really bad. I need to kind of like put that in some notes somewhere in some of my videos, but I don't. I just like to talk about it at one time. So if you guys want to know how I feel about the products that I picked up from Walgreens, which were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5? 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, five. If you guys want to know about all the 5 products that I picked up from this line, stay tuned. Hey everybody, yes, I'm back. We got new hair products to talk about. You know, I wait a month and then I fully talk about hair products with you. So, let's just start off. I'm on the right side of my head here. I just got out the shower. Almost wasn't going to record this part. Reason why is because, I don't know, I was just being lazy and I was just going to record either later today or tomorrow of my hair and tell you guys what I thought about the products. But then I realized I'm doing this new format, so duh, I need to kind of, do that. So, we're going to do the norm, the lock method. Put a little oil. Oh, why'd I close that? Put a little oil on. Not oil, but oil. Put that on my section here. And next, we are going to use the Cake Main Manager leave-in conditioner. That's this right here. It comes in a spray. I don't have a lot of it left. I don't have a lot left. It's like probably right about there. So went to Amazon, picked up some more because I didn't feel like running to Walgreens on my way home from work one day, and I grabbed some more. Didn't even spray the top of my forehead. Go ahead and work that through real quick. And then I'm going to style it with the Curl Friend styler from Cake. Only going to use this amount on the section. I don't use a lot, but this product doesn't last very long. I'm noticing that, which is really annoying to me. Ow, shoot, my tragus. The products are not very big bottles, which really annoys me. And I really wish product companies would kind of get the hint that we like to use a lot of products as curlies. We don't play. We're not here for that, oh, dime size. Ain't no such thing as a dime size. We use dollar sizes. Dollar size products. That's what we need. We don't need a dime. A dime does not work. This isn't foundation. When you can use foundation and like a dime size would actually work. Because yes, that does actually happen. A dime size of foundation does actually work. I've done it, and it does work. So, left side, oil. I'm not going to talk too much. As you all know, the back of my hair is already done. I'm sorry. I just went right in. Because you all know I don't like to make these videos too long. I don't know. I just like to get in and get out. Plus, as you all know, I normally style my hair in the shower. I don't style my hair outside the shower because a lot of times my hair does not look as good outside the shower, but whatever. I just realized I might have to leave the house. So this actually may record this second part of this video today instead of tomorrow, but we'll see. And I just pretty much ran out. I think I have about this much of this left after a month of use. Here's the amount I'm putting in this section. Ooh, there we go. Ooh, tangles. My hair tangles very, very easily. I don't know what's going on. It just tangles. I'm actually going to style it to the front today. I haven't done that in a long time. I normally don't style it to the front. Kind of give myself a little bit of bangs. We'll see how that goes. So my hair is complete. I think this is the reason why I don't style my hair to the front, because if you look at it right here, it looks like it's not, my hair isn't even, which I don't think it is. I need to go and get my hair cut, but we'll see. Okay, there we go. Style it to the back. I'm going to shake, which I don't think you guys are going to, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it so you guys can see, because I don't want to get stuff all over, especially on the albums and the DVDs behind me. I don't want to get anything on that, so let me see what I can do. Okay. Okay, there we go. Woo! Yeah, that was good. Shake, shake. We shake it, shake it. And that is it. My hair is fully done. Products are in. I'll either be back a little later today or tomorrow so you guys can see how my hair fully turned out. If I do leave the house, I know I should be able to get back on today after I do some other stuff. And so you guys can see my hair fully dry, because you all know I let my hair air dry because I don't want to sit under a dryer. Even though I own a really nice dryer, I just don't like sitting under it. So I'll be back in a second for you guys, and for me, a few hours. Okay, I am back. It is now 3:23 in the afternoon. There we go, 3:24 in the afternoon. And I did my hair around 9:30, 10 o'clock, so it's been about 5, 6-ish hours since I've done my hair. And my hair is pretty dry. I'm going to get in a little closer so you guys can see the curls. And also, I am going to have some pictures. In the back, the roots in the back are not fully dry, but I'll say it's about 90% dry. I'll say that. Just like I said, just the roots need to finish drying. So let's talk about what I've been using for the whole month. And the product I've been using has Cake Naturally Luxe Beauty. And the first thing I used was the Posh Wash. Totally to Die For Sulfate Free Swirl Shampoo. Glossily Rich Cleaning. Fresh Wash Extending. Luxury Lathering. Dirt Repelling. And this is a 10 fluid ounce bottle. Here we go right there. I'm going to let that get focused in real quick. That was what I washed my hair with. The conditioner was the Soft Serve Totally to Die For Cream Rinse Conditioner. And let's see, Rich Moisture Surging, Dirt Repelling, Fresh Condition Extending, Crazy Light Shiny Soft. And this is also 10 fluid ounces right here. Let that I'm going to let that focus right there. And I have about this much of this left. Remember, I've been using this for a whole month, so I have a lot. I don't have a whole lot of product left. So the next thing that I used was the Main Manager Totally to Die For 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner. This is Seriously Softening, Strand Reviving Moisture Maven. This is a 4 fluid ounce bottle. And it comes with a spray. You guys saw at the beginning. And the styler that I used was the Curl Friend, Totally to Die For. Defining Curl Cream. It says Frizz Fighting Curl Defining Glossy Silk Styling. This is a 6 fluid ounce bottle right here. And let's see. Oil you guys saw was the Camille Rose Herbal Tea Seal and Soften. For deep conditioner, we are going into the thick stuff now. We are with the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. That is what we are deep conditioning with. Co-wash. Oh no, I'm sorry. I forgot the other deep conditioner that I was using. I used this for the first 2 weeks. This is the Smooth Move Moisture Melt Hair Mask. Let's see. It says moisture surging, deeply nourishing, soft as silk strands. This is a 1.69 fluid ounce pouch. We'll talk about that in a second. And you know, cold wash I use was the As I Am Grow Wash that's in the bathroom. I forgot to grab it when I was getting everything together to film this part of the video. So, what did I think of all of this? Okay, y'all want to know how I feel about these products? All right, let's talk about it. Okay, let's break these down two by two. Shampoo, conditioner. The conditioner, wasn't a fan. Shampoo was okay. The shampoo actually did its job. It got my hair nice and clean. It did take a while to shampoo out, so you have to really be careful about the amount you put in. So, because a little does kind of go a long way. I know I sometimes don't say a little goes a long way, but shampoos, yeah, it does. Because you're just shampooing the scalp, so you're not really shampooing everything out. But, I mean, you're trying to get all the gunk out of your hair from the week or from whenever. But yeah, it's not a bad product. Oh no, this is how much shampoo I have. Yep, I was right. It's about that much. I can see finally. But yeah, I actually like the shampoo. The conditioner, I was not a huge fan of. It did not make my hair incredibly soft. I could have used other conditioners. That conditioner, it could have been better. I was not a huge fan of that conditioner. But let's talk about this. Let's talk about this situation here. A pouch. A pouch of deep conditioner. Okay. This only was good for 2 weeks. 2. To be completely honest, I could have made it just 1 week, but I was fortunate. I was able to stretch it. And it's not that great. I could have saved all my coin on that one because it wasn't that great of a product. Thank goodness I have the Shea Moisture here to kind of help me out. But they could have kept that. They seriously could have kept it. It was not that good. I was like, I didn't understand. I didn't understand what it was going to do. It didn't do much. I thank goodness I had oil and all the other stuff to kind of help it. But it really did not work very well. I could have, you know, I could have put some coconut oil on my hair and it would have done better. I mean, seriously, it could have done better. Leave-in conditioner and styler. I have this much leave-in conditioner left. So I actually had to go on Amazon and buy a second bottle of the leave-in and a second bottle of the styler because I don't have that much of the styler left either. These actually were not too bad. I could have done without this, but it wasn't bad in combination with this. But to be brutally honest, these needed to be bigger. I mean, you give me 4 fluid ounce of a leave-in conditioner and you give me 6 ounces of a styler, and you know we've had this conversation on more than one occasion about how stylers, conditioners, deep conditioners, and leave-in conditioners need to be in bigger bottles. But you put this in a small bottle. Well, I'm supposed to do 2 pumps and that's it in one section? No, I'm trying to make sure my section is thoroughly saturated with the leave-in conditioner. And as you all saw at the beginning, I didn't use that much per section of the styler. But the styler, I mean, looking at my hair this week and how it's looked throughout the whole month, the styler is great. It looks great. But there is that wonderful thing called but. But the problem is this product will flake on you after 3 days. So you have to either, you're going to have, I have to co-wash. And there were a couple of weeks I did not co-wash my hair every 2 days like I normally do. And it was because I was just tired. And I know I shouldn't be a lazy natural, but sometimes I am a lazy natural. And I was extra tired and was not able to co-wash. I don't have time in the morning to co-wash my hair, which actually I should. I've been kind of considering co-washing my hair in the morning, but I really don't have time because I have to do my makeup and find my clothes and get ready, things of that nature, but we're not going to get into that. But the styler and the leave-in together actually work great. You can't leave it in your hair more than 2 days. All right, so would I buy these products again? That is, you all know I ask that question every video of would I buy products again? And to be brutally honest, I mean, if you look at the price point, I mean, $8.99 for each piece, and then the deep conditioner was like $1 and some change. Let's see. I would not buy the deep conditioner because it's a waste. I can use my own deep conditioner that works a lot better. The shampoo was actually cool. I actually liked the shampoo. Just wasn't wild about it, but it did get my scalp and my hair clean. So I will say that. The actual conditioner, keep that. I could have used anything. I have so many conditioners over there. I could have used, and even behind me, I have so many conditioners I could have used in that place that could have been kept. So the deep conditioner and the rinse out conditioner, y'all could have gone, move along. The styler and the leave-in conditioner, give me those in a bigger bottle, and then we can talk. I don't care if I have to pay more than $8.99. Give me bigger bottles. I would actually use it again, because I do co-wash my hair every 2 days. Like I said, there are times I don't, but when I do co-wash my hair every 2 days, this is perfect because it keeps my hair. I mean, my hair looks good. I mean, as you all can see, my hair, even though it is dark, my hair is really dark and my red is showing finally, and it's, but I mean, I'll have pictures over here for you, over here. The picture's going to be over here, right hand. Picture's going to be on my right hand side, your left hand side. No, is it still right? Yeah, it's still right. On my right hand. No, it's on the left. No, this is my left. Picture's going to be on my left hand side. Anyway. Ooh, I haven't slept. Anyway, I tried to take a nap and it didn't work because I was talking via text. Anyway. All I'm going to say is if you give me the leave-in and the styler in a bigger bottle, we can have a conversation. The shampoo was cool. The conditioner, rinse and deep, throw them away. I don't care. I was not thoroughly disappointed, but I wasn't thoroughly happy with this product either. I could have done, I'm not even going to get into all of that. I'll take away some and keep some. All right, and that is it for this video. I'm gonna get on out of here. I've been recording for like 18 minutes because there's some outtakes and hot cakes and things of like that I need to take out. But I mean, like I said, if looking at my hair looks really nice. I do like the way my hair looks. Tomorrow we're gonna see how it looks. I'm gonna still post pictures up of my hair for the rest of the week and how it looks, so you guys can see what it looks like, the progression. But there's also going to be some co-washing involved and things like that. And I also have other videos to record this week because I have to record some videos ahead. So you're going to see this product again next couple of weeks. So that is it. I'm going to get out of here. I think I have a little bit of homework to do, and I want to try to get in at least 2 hours of overtime. At least 2 hours. If not 1, we'll see. I got to see how my life goes today. So if you guys have any questions about any of the products below, talk to me below. I have all the links. And yeah, I forgot to say I picked these up at Walgreens. I totally forgot about that part of the video. I picked all this stuff up at Walgreens on a whim. So like I said, if you guys have any questions, talk to me below. I'm going to get out of here. And that's it. All my socials were at the beginning. Out. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.